I will interview you. Okay, again. What is your name?
Myra.
Do you have any talents?
My talent
What
for
is your
catching
talent?
cockroach.
Wow.
What the fuck is the
You-
talent, bro? I can choke fishes like this.
Gaga.
So now, no, you think I'm a fish? No. Yeah.
Di, danan man na.
Motherfucker, you pick it up.
Okay, wow. So you know how to draw? You know how to draw?
Yeah, I know.
Wow. Okay, okay. Okay. Will you join any punyagian events?
No.
Wow. Thank you for that wonderful question. Thank you for that wonderful question. Well, thank you for that wonderful answer pala. Thank you.
What?
Bye-bye.